179 Sushi Squad. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off. NB Gears aligning, shooting. Blue classifier filling up. And the Reds are answering right back. Astra Michiana and Robotic Rodents. Both of them answering very well. Astra picking up more from the classifier. Shooting again. Beautiful accuracy there. Beautiful line. 17378 themselves. Discharging a couple of artifacts near the loading zone. It's near the blue base as well. 16010 continuing. They park near the spike as we come to the end of Autumn. Red ahead of blue. About 40 points.
3, 2, 1.
Away we go. 17378 again finding their bearings with a couple of artifacts in tow. Team from Thailand, 22,999, scoring, clearing their gate. They need to realign on that. There we go. Down come the artifacts. NB Gears pick them up and score. Sushi Squad coming in close, picking up artifacts and aligning themselves to score again. They did so well. Astra being a mean machine, scoring and clearing the red classifier ramp beautifully well. Depot zone for Sushi Squad. They've left a little bit of blue somewhere down there. Maybe it's theirs, maybe it's not. We will find out. But the field is cluttered with a robot part. Contact by red on blue in the blue loading zone. Red raids in. 16010. Again, the Astra going in, getting fed from the blue loading zone. They're being very opportunistic that way. So, here we go. Red maintaining a good scoring pace here. They're well ahead by about 100 points with 1 minute to go. NB Gears doing their best to clear their blue gate. And 17378 swoops in opportunistically. That red classifier has stayed busy. I'm sure it's overheating with the number of artifacts going into it. 14179 Sushi Squad place a little bit of defense on Astra. Then moves aside, comes back to the blue loading zone to get loaded up again. All 3 robots, close proximity in the near launch zone to me here. Not a lot of pattern work going on, but quite a bit of spread between red and blue as we go to endgame. What is red's strategy going to be? Are they going to shoot again and go to park? 16010 certainly seems to think they can park and shoot both at the same time. Team from Thailand scores, moves to park. All 4 robots in their places as we come to the end of the game. No call.
That's the Red Alliance for the victory this time. With a score of 325 to 143, that's going to move Astra Michiana up into number 4. We have a thumbs up from our scorekeepers waiting on our head referee.